Hey, hi. I really appreciate you for taking one step ahead compared to all others and showing your interest to know how to articulate for the question which I raised in the video what you have seen, that is about statistics, right? So if you have put that statistics in the comment section, I think you have already read the whole scenario there, right? So I think you all know me. This is John, and I would like to talk to you with an audio note very clearly because that video what I have posted there, it should come up with certain limitations in a short note. I just wanted to give you the real scenario, what most of the data analyst, freshers, and even some working professionals, they are unable to speak. So that scenario only I just wanted to give you all so that if you can relate, I thought of talking to people who can easily relate in a more detailed manner. I hope you will enjoy this full audio note, what I'm going to share with you, because I'm going to give you the detailed answer for this. Uh, okay, so please stay in touch. So this is a small initiative because you all even agreed that when you wanted to make a career in data analyst path or data science, even data science has the statistics concepts too. You are focusing only on Excel, SQL, VBA, macros, a lot of this stuff. But how to articulate, how to speak about this? Nobody is training you, right? Even if you're watching any video, if any trainer comes and tells you, he explains that and goes. But in a 2 minutes time, or maybe in 90 seconds, how can I explain these concepts in a better way? Or even I can go for 2 minutes also. It's all about how you are making the interviewer to listen to you. If you are just boring and talking, nobody will listen to you. Even if I'm speaking in a boring way, you will not put that comments, right? So you all have related me to your current scenario, and you have patiently listened what this person is talking. So that way, when you are talking, you need to give that impression to the interviewer. All right, keep that in mind. Now let me come to the point. Okay, so when the question is asked, hey, where you have applied statistics, uh, you should say yes, mean, median, mode, everything is there. You know that, right? So the point is when you are talking, you know that mean, median, mode, descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, everything you learned. But when you're articulating, it should be said in a different way from the application perspective. All right. For example, I'll just give you some scenarios. All right. You can try to articulate in this way. Uh, Now you are the interviewer. I am the candidate. Okay. Now you are asking me this question. Hey, tell me where you have applied statistics. Now I would put it to you in this way. All right. Hello, sir. Applied statistics. Yeah. Basically, we all know about this descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, mean, median, and mode. Even you know about that. But I remember I applied this concept when, even in my home, I recently applied because last December we were planning to go for a vacation trip. So in my family, there are like 15 people. Everybody is telling some places. But finally, we can go to only one place. So we go with the majority voting. Majority voting is I just said the concept. Okay, how many people are voting for Goa? How many people are voting for uh, Mudumalai? So a lot of places. So finally, this Mudumalai, won, and we went to that place. So this concept is nothing but mode concept. Majority people are voting for what? So there, I recently applied this statistical concept, what I have learned, and also I remember in my coursework, when I was solving a problem, there is a beautiful business case which I was working on. That is, the business case was given to me. That is, a bank wanted to go for a credit card launch, all right, to a particular group of people. They are like 100,000 people, but they wanted to know what will be the least amount and the maximum amount that they will be maintaining in their bank in case if the credit card is issued. So they can't issue this credit card to the whole population, 100,000 people, because the bank need to know how much profit they can take, whether this will come under their radar or not. They wanted to check it out. So what they did is actually they went for a pilot launch, meaning a demo launch, where 100 people, they just came and accepted this credit card, and they just lend the money. So 3 months they observed, and the sample average and the standard deviation it was given to us. Sample average meaning on an average, this 100 people are maintaining a balance of $2,500, I think so. And with some standard deviation also it was given to us. So with that information, we used the concept of confidence interval. It has a mathematical equation, I can tell you if you want. And we found the lower bound and the upper bound with 95% confidence and 97.5 and 99% of confidence we actually found it. So this is something really we actually worked on and we have given to our person to my mentor who actually given this. So it's not only about learning what is what. I try to apply in many such cases and try to find some insights out of it to give to the other person so that you can take the decision. So sorry my explanation went big, but I try to apply things, sir. So that's what I wanted to say to you. Okay, so now when I'm explaining, you are keenly listening, right? So in an interview, it is not all about matter. Sorry, time. Within 60 minutes, you need to talk no. Sorry, 60 seconds, you need to talk no. When you're articulating, when you're thinking, and when you're trying to talk the relevant stuffs, the interview, you have listened to me, right? The interviewer will also listen to you if you're talking about the relevant stuff. All right. Even I would have talked about um, uh, like different statistical tests, but it would have taken long time. So that's why I ended up saying I would like to apply all the things whatever I've learned. I have left that impression to the interviewer, to you, when I was articulating, right? So try to think in this way, like the projects works, whatever you have done, take that and speak. Sir, if you remember where you have applied Power BI, where you have applied this, take that. Sir, when I was learning, I learned this and I applied it in my Power BI project. I was handling this kind of problems. So that's where I applied. So try to pick up the projects what you worked, relate to that, and then speak about any concepts. All right. So I hope this audio note clarified you a lot of stuff on how to speak about certain things to give you a different impression on you. If interviewer feels a different impression on it, definitely he will move to the next question. Okay, this person is something speaking in a different way, why can't I go to the next question? So that's why I say you need to grab that interviewer's attention, interview that you should not allow the chance to go to the next person. When you are doing this consistently, definitely you are going to be placed, all right, in the research time. Okay, so focus on articulation skills. In case if you feel after this audio note, let me know, maybe in the chat box. Are you able to relate it with the examples, whatever I've given? Two examples I've given. I picked up from my, just randomly I just picked up. Maybe in case if I would have prepared in a better way, I would have talked. But just randomly I was thinking and I took this example for you. Two examples I talked, right? One business use case, and the other one is just simply I just picked up what happened in our home. So very able to relate it. So what is your thought about it? Are you finding it difficult or are you finding it challenging to explain these concepts? Let me know. We can discuss about this. Are you clarified? Are you good with this explanation? Okay, let me know your thoughts in the LinkedIn chat itself. Okay, thank you.